Hello from Myrtle Beach. Today we're going to take you on a tour of Broadway at the beach and show you everything that is new here. Hi, I'm Carmen. If you're new, welcome. And if you're a return viewer, welcome back. We are so glad to have you with us. There is actually a lot of new stuff here and exciting things to share since our last update video for Broadway at the beach. A lot of things have opened, and so we're going to go over all of those with you. If you are new to Broadway at the beach in Myrtle Beach, this is a big entertainment, shopping, dining, restaurants, you name it, all kinds of fun stuff to do location here at Myrtle Beach in the area. And it's only about a little over a mile from the actual beach. This is new at the old Kilwins location. It says something exciting is on the way coming in 2027. So that's exciting, something new popping in. We miss Kilwins. We actually liked Kilwins. They had some really good chocolate in there. Big announcement, Landry's is changing to Bubba Gump's Shrimp Company. If you're not familiar, that is a chain and it's a very popular tourist chain. So meaning when you go to tourist destinations, a lot of times you will see a Bubba Gump's. We've been on a ton of cruises, and when you stop at cruise ports, a lot of times you'll see a Bubba Gump's Shrimp Company. We've been to one before. They're good. So that's pretty exciting news as well. Replacing the Kentucky Miss Distillery, we now have Cloak and Wand. So let's pop in and check it out. Ooh, right on the front door, we've got a big wizard, and then over here, we've got a dragon. Hopefully you can see with the glare, and I believe it's a unicorn. Oh, look at this guy. It's the magical creature adoption. That is so cute. We got this little sign over here. Got a lot of candles, a lot of Lord of the Rings merchandise. I'm a big fan of Lord of the Rings. Let me know in the comments if you are as well. All kinds of fun. So it looks like you go over here to pick out your wand type. And over here is some of the information about what they actually have. You can get wands and potions, which are fun drinks that are family friendly. We got some frozen hot chocolate and coffee, and then all kinds of syrups and stuff. More huge news, Big Fish, which replaced Liberty, is arriving summer 2026. But the exciting news we have for you is we just saw what looked like a regular employee walk in, like they're doing training. So I would say the opening is imminent. Plus, you know, we're getting towards the end of the summer, so I feel like it's got to be pretty soon. It looks pretty close to done, except for some landscaping. Obviously, we can't see the inside, but I would say this is coming soon. If you're finding this video useful, definitely give it a thumbs up. That helps other people find our video, and we greatly appreciate it. If you'd like to see other Myrtle Beach videos, definitely subscribe and you won't miss anything new. We mentioned this in our last video, but just in case you didn't see it, the Man Cave store took over the old Cliggs Kite location here at Broadway at the beach. And if you miss Cliggs Kites, they do have another location here in the area. The current show at the Broadway Theater is Maximum Velocity. Can You Handle It? It still looks like a Cirque type show, just going by the posters. If you've seen it, leave us a comment and let us know if you enjoyed it. We brought this to you before when they opened, but over here by PopStroke, which is the putt over here, or miniature golf. It's not really miniature golf, it's really putting. That's owned partially by Tiger Woods. Right next to it, here is Sand Cloud, and they're actually having a sale right now. So if you watch this one, it comes out up to 40% off. The real products are really nice. You can go back to one of my previous videos if you would like to see what the products look like. We do get a lot of questions about where to stay, and since we're locals, we don't stay at hotels a lot, but this hotel we've actually stayed at quite a few times over the years. Not recently, but over the years, and we do have two videos, both of the lake view, which is this direction, and also of the parking lot view, which is the other direction. And they also have a breakfast that's included. It's a pretty nice place. It's a Hampton Inn right here at Broadway, and you're right here on the Broadway route, so it's very, very handy. We did show this last time, but this is the Grumpy Gator of Myrtle Beach. They do have another location in Merle's Inlet if you're interested, but that is a fairly new store that we showed in our last video. One place we always recommend is Ripley's Aquarium. We have an annual pass that we pay for with our own money, so this is not sponsored or anything. We just really enjoy it. If anyone in your family enjoys sea life, they also have sloths, penguins, all kinds of stuff. Our tip from us to you, get here early. They open at 9 a.m. I think pretty much every day. Double check their website, and you get in before all the crowds. You will have a much, much better experience. here is this awesome view across the lake. They've got the speedboats going. That's a fun ride if you're interested in that. That's something that you can actually purchase here to ride out on the lake, but definitely beautiful. Also, by the way, if you remember the Miss Broadway ferry that used to be a free ferry across this lake, let us know in the comments, just see if anyone can remember that. We did show this in a previous video, but Slime Kitchen here is fairly new. It's something fun if you've got some little ones to check out. We get a lot of questions about whether Elsie's Playground has reopened after the construction, and it definitely has. Can't promise you it'll stay open, but it's open right now. Replacing Caroloha's is Alice's Little Haunted Bookshop. This is really cool. We're gonna pop in and take a look. In this little alcove, you can adopt your very own skull to put on your bookshelf. And then probably the biggest news is the Old Smoky Distillery and Yeehaw Brewing has opened their building. We'll go down and check out the front, but I also wanted to show you their beer garden. And this beer garden is right on the lake, which is really nice. We were hoping they were gonna have an outdoor space, and they absolutely do. Got a big screen back here. Lots and lots of seating. Even got what looks like a fire pit, and then we've got the Yeehaw Brewing Company and the Old Smoky Moonshine. Got a little cornhole down at this end, and yes, a fire pit. And you've got, if you're out here, you've got these beautiful views of the lake. You can see the aquarium, and then all the way down towards the bridge over here. And then clearly they have a stage and a big screen too. Here is what the inside looks like. It is massive on the inside. This is the main front entrance, and then around here is what's called the Avenue area of Broadway at the beach, and they have some new lighting. They've got these different color changing lights down at the sort of eye level, and then up at the top they've got these really cool string lights. I really like how this looks. It reminds me, again, memory lane. Let us know if you remember when the big pyramid was down here, and it was more of like a French Quarter, Louisiana vibe, a little bit like New Orleans here. Let us know in the comments if you remember that. But this takes me a little bit back to that with these string lights up above. It looks really, really neat. If you'd like to see our latest drive down Ocean Boulevard, definitely click on the video that's on your screen right now. Thank you so much for watching. See you next time.